Today we will be seeing the stocks which have lost in recent days. Pfizer Ltd fell for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 4,135 rupees and 90 paise, down 0.01% around 1 pm on the NSE. Pfizer Ltd has added around 0.98% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2,144 shares today, compared to the daily average of 7,818 shares in last 1 month. SBI Life Insurance Company Limited dropped for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,137 rupees and 50 paise, down 0.06% around 1 pm on the NSE. SBI Life Insurance Company Limited has gained around 5.51% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.6 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 8.95 lakh shares in last 1 month. Gland Pharma Ltd is down for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 2,205 rupees and 15 paise, down 0.1% around 1 pm on the NSE. Gland Pharma Ltd has lost around 16.88% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.85 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 5.24 lakh shares in last 1 month. Power stocks were trading with losses, with the S&P BSE Power Index decreasing 12.68 points, a 0.29% at 4,430.11 around 1 pm. Among the components of the S&P BSE Power Index, Tata Power Company Limited down 4.13%, Adani Transmission Limited down 0.75%, Adani Green Energy Limited down 0.35%, and NTPC Limited down 0.23%, were the top losers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.